Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will set up Datasmith direct link between Archicad and Unreal Engine, import walls with multiple materials, and prepare doors for animation. Let's dive right in. Using the Datasmith link, Archicad users can harness the powerful capabilities of Unreal Engine for seamless visualization and animation. You can download it from the Twinmotion website in the Archicad section. Once installed, open both Archicad and Unreal Engine. In Archicad, make sure you're in the 3D view window. This is important because the Datasmith link relies on the 3D window. Now, open the Datasmith connection in Unreal Engine. Select the folder where you want the assets to be stored, and connect the two applications. Once the Datasmith connection is established, it will update automatically whenever you make changes in the Archicad 3D view, if the continuous update option is selected. If you prefer manual updates, just click the update button whenever you want to refresh the changes. When importing walls, make sure to select all the materials you may want to use with the object. For example, if a wall has 3 different material slots, you need to assign different materials in Archicad before importing. Only by doing this will Unreal Engine recognize and create all the available material slots for you to use. Now let's look at importing doors for animation. After establishing the Datasmith direct link or reading from a Datasmith file, you can load the door into Unreal Engine. To animate specific parts of the door, like the handle or the door leaf, you'll need to separate the parts you want to move. Separating parts is also useful if you want to apply different materials or effects to individual components. To do this in Unreal Engine, go into Modeling mode, select the door, and under the X-Form tab, click on the Split function to separate the door into multiple meshes. After splitting, you may find that you have a large number of separate meshes. The split operation typically works in order, so parts that belong together are displayed directly under each other in the outliner panel. You can join related parts, but some meshes may still belong to multiple parts of the door, such as both doctor leaves. If the separation wasn't fully successful, and some meshes still belong to multiple parts, the next step is to export all the combined and leftover meshes of the door as FBX files. To properly separate and organize the door components, you can use a 3D editor like Blender. Import the FBX file into Blender, then split and rearrange the meshes to your liking. Once you are satisfied, export the door as an FBX and re-import it into Unreal Engine. There's also an alternative method to separate the door mesh. If you are using Archicad 27, you can directly export the door as an FBX file. However, if you are using Archicad 26 or earlier versions, you'll first need to export the door as a 3D Studio file and then convert it to FBX before importing it into Blender for separation. Next, perform the entire separation process in Blender. Now, you'll have a door that's properly separated for animation.